friends. Today in our class we are going to discuss previous year question papers of second year PUC sociology subject carrying 1 mark. Let's start our class. First question is, how is the term demographic derived? The term demographic is derived from two Greek words, that is demos, which means people, and graphein means describes. The second question is, who introduced the term Harijan? The answer is Narasimha Mehta. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolish untouchables? The article is 17. The article 17. Fourth question, who called the Indian joint family as a greater home? Henry Maine called the Indian joint family as a greater home. The fifth question is, expand IRDP. The full form of IRDP is Integrated Rural Development Program. The sixth question is, which is the first Indian newspaper? The answer is Samvada Kaumudi by Raja Ram Mohan Rai in the year 1821. The next question, who introduced the term westernization? The term westernization introduced by M.N. Srinivas. Name any one racial group of India. The answer is Negroes. What is Leum? Leum is a patriarchal type of joint family where the father is the head of the family. 10th question, what is the slogan of Kodagu movement? The slogan is the land to the tiller and or land to the landless. The 11th question is, name the health insurance scheme for the welfare of village farmers. Yashaswini Health Insurance Scheme. The 12th question is, name any one ancient name of India. Bharatakanda. The 13th question is, who popularized the term Harijan? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. See here, there is confusion. Don't get confused. Who popularized the term Harijan means you should have to write the answer Mahatma Gandhi, whereas who introduced the term Harijan means Narasimha Mehta. Don't get confused between these names. Let's continue. The 14th question is, where is the headquarters of Lajit located? The headquarters is in Mumbai. Who was Karnavanan? The answer is the senior male member of Tarwad family. Expand DSS Dalit Sangharsha Samiti. The 17th question, what is Sanskritization? The lower caste people, in order to raise their position in the caste hierarchy, adopt some of the customs of higher caste and gave up some of their own, considered to be impure by the higher caste. It means you should have to write this answer, or you should describe in your own words what you understand about Sanskritization. Means in simple you write the lower caste people, they adopt some of the customs, they follow some customs of higher caste and also gave up some of their own which considered as to be impure by the higher caste. Hope you understand. You should write in your own words is better. 18th question, define urbanization. Urbanization has been often used to denote The process of population concentration in an urban area. It is a movement of population from rural to urban areas and a resulting increasing proportion of a population that resides in urban rather than rural place. The 19th question is, who considered Indian villages as little republic? The answer is Charles Metcalfe. Who authorized Asian drama? The answer is Gunnar Myrdal. 21st question is, who introduced the term globalization? The answer is Theodore Levitt. You should write the spell correct. And the next question is, expand lamps. LAMPS. Large area multi-purpose societies. L means large, A means area, M means multi, P means purpose, S means society. The next question is, which organization founded by Jyotiba Phule against caste system? The answer is Satya Shodhak Samaj. Next question is, which was the first newspaper of Karnataka? The answer is Mangaluru Samachar. See here, don't get confusion between first newspaper of Karnataka and first newspaper of India. The next question is, name any one backward class commission of Karnataka. The answer is Naganna Gowda Commission. Who introduced the word demography? The answer is Achal Gulliard in 1855. Which year is referred as demographic divide? The answer is 1921. See, these are the questions of last year 2017, 2018 and 2019, which comes in a final year exam of second year PUC, carrying 1 mark questions. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.